Yeah, funeral and burial expenses.
Yeah,
So how old are you?
so I'm 55. And how's your day
You are
going?
55.
How's your day going today?
Then
How,
I'm the my dad is
yeah,
so
I'm
far
over.
so good. And
I'm masturbating. I'm
if
having a
you
real good time masturbating. And
actually if you are 50,
I'm
you are
masturbating. I'm
55.
masturbating and I'm watching TV and I'm talking with you. But my day's going
Unless
good.
you are okay. Okay, so you are
Yeah,
55 years old, right?
yeah, and I'm masturbating. Yes, I'm 55.
Uh huh.
Do you
Then you are perfect
do you
time.
masturbate? Do you masturbate or no, sir?
Thank you so much, Peter.
Do you choke
You
your
have a good
chicken?
day.
Do you choke your chicken? Can you answer my question?
What you talking about?
Do you choke your chicken?
You have a good day.
No, I'm asking you a question. The motherfucker, he had no idea what I was talking about. That's how I like messing with them like that. But hey, another short video. Let me know. What am I talking about? Do you choke your chicken? Hey, but let me know what you think about this. I know it's real short, but hey, like, comment, and like, comment, and subscribe. If I made you laugh a little bit, hey, let me know. And like I always say, if they call me, I'll record. Hey, but y'all have a good day. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll holler at y'all. All right then, peace.